Common mistakes when eating oats and how to avoid them. Have you ever wondered if a staple food like oats could be harmful to your health? Although oats are considered one of the healthiest products in the world, the way you consume them can greatly influence their properties. Unwittingly, you could be making choices that compromise your well-being. Have you considered whether you are taking full advantage of their benefits or, on the contrary, nullifying them completely, depriving yourself of significant improvements in your daily life? Today we will explore the most common mistakes when consuming oats, how these can negatively affect your health and, most importantly, how to avoid them in order to get the most out of this superfood. Before you start, remember to activate notifications and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you value our work and want us to continue offering you quality content, give us a like and comment on which country you are watching us from. For decades, oats have been praised for their numerous benefits. This whole grain is an excellent source of fiber, especially beta-glucans, known for their ability to lower cholesterol, stabilize blood glucose levels, improve digestion, and increase feelings of satiety. It is also rich in essential vitamins and minerals, such as manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, iron, zinc, and vitamin B1. As if that weren't enough, it contains antioxidants, including avenanthramides, which contribute to heart health and reduce inflammation. However, certain mistakes in its preparation or consumption could negate these benefits. Although it seems harmless, some practices can even have negative effects. Today we will take a closer look at these mistakes and offer you evidence-based solutions so you can enjoy oatmeal safely and effectively. One of the most common mistakes is not soaking oats before eating them. This step is important due to the presence of phytic acid, an anti-nutrient that acts as a natural defense for plants. This substance binds to essential minerals such as iron, calcium, and zinc, which can make it difficult for the body to absorb them, especially if consumed in large quantities. Although in small doses it does not pose a risk, in the long term it could contribute to nutritional deficiencies, especially in diets poor in minerals. For example, someone who consumes oatmeal daily without soaking it could experience lower energy levels because their body would absorb less iron, a key element in the production of red blood cells. This is supported by scientific studies. Soaking whole grains in water significantly helps reduce phytic acid levels and improve the absorption of essential minerals, as noted in an article published in the Journal of Science. A practical example would be to leave oats in a bowl of filtered water overnight. If you plan to consume them the next day, you can add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar or lemon juice. The next morning, drain it, rinse it properly and cook it. Another common mistake is opting for processed or instant oats. This type of oatmeal undergoes processes that reduce its natural fiber content, alter its molecular composition, and increase its glycemic index. Although it is quicker to prepare, its consumption can cause spikes in blood glucose followed by sudden drops in energy. In addition, many instant varieties contain high amounts of added sugar, along with colorants, preservatives, and other additives. For example, instant oatmeal with apple and cinnamon flavor can contain up to 15 grams of sugar, equivalent to almost 4 teaspoons. A better option is to choose coarse rolled oats. Whole oats or steel-cut oats offer greater benefits due to their intact fiber, although they take longer to cook. To save time, you can prepare a large batch of whole oats and store them in the refrigerator in individual portions for the week. Comparing glycemic indexes, instant oats average 65 to 70, while traditional oats range from 50 to 55. This demonstrates how the choice of type of oats directly affects the body's metabolic response. Another common mistake is using water that is too hot when cooking oatmeal. When cooked in boiling water, some of the key components, such as beta-glucans, can be degraded. These substances are essential for regulating blood glucose levels and lowering LDL cholesterol. In addition, cooking at very high or very low temperatures can alter the texture of oats, decreasing their satiating effect. To preserve nutrients, it is best to cook oats over medium or low heat, avoiding rapid boiling of the water. At this temperature, oats should be cooked for 10 to 15 minutes. In some cultures, such as the Scottish, it is cooked for hours over a low heat, which intensifies its flavor and texture, as well as preserving its properties. Although oats are an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, they lack sufficient protein and healthy fats. Eating oatmeal alone can result in an unbalanced breakfast, leading to hunger a few hours later due to rapid changes in blood sugar levels. Suggested solution: incorporate protein. Add options like protein powder, cooked egg whites, or plain Greek yogurt. Integrate healthy fats. Include ingredients like chia seeds, walnuts, or almond butter. Increase the fiber content by adding low-sugar fruits, such as green apples, blackberries or raspberries, to your oatmeal. A balanced breakfast could consist of a cup of oatmeal with 2 tablespoons of almond butter, a half cup of fresh blackberries and a hard-boiled egg on the side. This type of breakfast, in addition to being more complete, keeps your energy stable throughout the morning. Another common mistake is consuming oat flakes without checking the labels. Many products on the market contain ingredients such as refined sugar, artificial flavors, and even contaminants such as gluten. According to the American Celiac Association, 20% of products labeled as pure oats contained gluten residues due to cross-contamination in processing plants. The solution is to look for certified gluten-free and organic oats, read labels carefully and avoid products with added sugars or artificial ingredients. Another common mistake is the use of artificial sweeteners or excessive amounts of sugar. While adding sugar, honey or syrup can enhance the taste of oatmeal, overuse could reduce its benefits and increase the risk of problems such as obesity or insulin resistance. For a healthier sweetener, opt for natural sweeteners. Use fruits such as bananas, dates, or figs. You can also enhance the flavor with spices such as cinnamon, vanilla, or cardamom. Another idea is to include dried fruits such as chopped apricots, dried cranberries, or peaches in small quantities. For example, a simple recipe would be to combine a tablespoon of sliced almonds, half a cup of chopped apples, and a teaspoon of cinnamon to make a sweet and nutritious oatmeal. Consumed in the right way, oats can be a great ally for your health. Remember that even small changes in your daily routine can positively influence your well-being. Every time you prepare your oats, consider that moment as an investment in your future. Always choose what is best for your body and do it with love and attention.